Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena if you guys are new, and today's video is going to be a cleaning hacks video. I've actually never done a video like this on my channel before, but I love watching these kind of videos and I thought you guys would enjoy it as well. Thank you so much to Dyson for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be chatting more about the Dyson outsize vacuum a little bit later in today's video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Hack number one is how to keep your drawers and your cabinets smelling fresh. So this could be like a sock drawer, it could be a linen drawer or a cabinet. I actually have a drawer that is more seasonal, so I have some swimwear in there. I have some cold weather items like hats and scarves and things, and they don't get opened very often, so I would love it if every time I opened it I still had like a really fresh scent as if I just washed them. And the way that you can do this is you fill up a little drawstring mesh bag with laundry scent beads, and I actually try to avoid using those in my laundry whenever I'm washing my clothes because they have a lot of chemicals, and I have a baby. I'm trying to use things that are a little bit more gentle for her skin. Having the scent beads in the little mesh bags allows you to still have that kind of aroma when you open up your drawers or your cabinets, and just keeps things kind of smelling fresh without it having a direct contact with your skin. So that is a really good hack that I was excited to share. Hack number two is how to refresh your carpets, your rugs, and any upholstery in your house like your couch using your vacuum and a baking soda mixture that I'm going to share with you guys how I make. So firstly, the baking soda mixture is just a half a cup of baking soda to about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Once you have your baking soda and your essential oils all mixed together and there's no clumps, you really want that mixture to set for at least a day or so. That way there's no moisture in the mixture, since we are going to be vacuuming this up. You leave the baking soda mixture on your carpet or upholstery for like 10-15 minutes, and then you vacuum it up, and it just really refreshes it, and it just makes everything smell really good and deodorizes everything. So today we're going to be using the Dyson V11 outsize. I am so excited to share with you guys this vacuum because I got my first Dyson vacuum about a year ago. I bought the Dyson V10 Cyclone, and I thought that that was like where it's at until I tried the V11 outsize. So if you guys don't have a Dyson vacuum and you're thinking about one, the outsize is it. Like, you will not need another vacuum ever again. And if you already do have a Dyson vacuum and you still find yourself going back to your corded one, if you need like more storage space in the bin, or like if you need to go for longer run times or something, then you may even consider just upgrading to the outsize, and that way you can just get rid of your clunky corded vacuum altogether. Even though it's a full-size cleaner head, you can still get into those tight spaces, which I absolutely love. Just a few things about the Dyson outsize. It's completely cordless, so it's super convenient. You don't have to plug anything in. You don't have to lug cords all around your house to trip over, to weigh you down, and it also easily transforms into a handheld, so it's super versatile. The tool I'm using now is called the hair screw tool. This is new, and I knew I had to share it with you guys because I am obsessed. First of all, it just picks up hair, long hair or pet hair super easily, but the way that they designed this specific tool, it doesn't allow the hair to actually get tightly wound around the brush, so it's super easy to remove. I absolutely love that because I hate having to get tightly wound hair out of a brush head. It just makes me crazy. So that is just an amazing little tool that you guys can get with your Dyson outsize. The biggest difference that I saw between my old Dyson and the Dyson outsize is just the size. The Dyson outsize has a full-size bin and a full-size cleaner head. The bin actually holds just as much dust as a full-size vacuum, and the cleaner head will cover more of your floor faster. So you basically get all the benefits of a full-size vacuum without the hassle of a cord, which is a dream. You also don't have to worry about running out of battery if you are cleaning a larger area, or if you're cleaning like your entire house or something. One thing I absolutely love about this vacuum is that it is super easy to just glide across carpet. My other corded clunky vacuum was a nightmare to have to drag across the carpet. I felt like I was literally getting a workout in every time I had to do my carpet. So yes, I love that it's just super easy to just go on carpet or hard floor. It comes with 2 batteries, so you can just clean continuously and you don't have to worry about charging anything in between. There are so many different attachments you can put on the vacuum to make it a handheld. I just threw on this brush tool so that I could go ahead and vacuum out my shelves. It's just super convenient. This would also be great to vacuum out your car. Oh my gosh, that's my next project. You can also use it as a handheld while cleaning your stairs. This is one of my favorite things because I don't think I actually put in the effort to clean my stairs before I had the handheld Dyson vacuum. The Dyson Outsize also has digital display, which is different from my other vacuum. So the LCD screen will display how much runtime you actually have left. That way you're not cleaning and then all of a sudden your vacuum just dies. You always know how much battery you have left. It will also prompt you if it detects an error, like if there's a blockage or you need to wash your filter or something like that. This has to be my favorite thing about the V11 Outsize. If you put it in auto mode, it will actually detect what kind of surface you're vacuuming on, whether it be hard floor or carpet, and it will adapt to the flooring to optimize runtime. So it is so convenient. You don't have to switch back and forth between modes. It will just automatically detect it, and you can actually feel and hear the change when you go from carpet to hard floor or vice versa. I will go ahead and leave a link to the Dyson V11 Outsize down below in the description box. Like I said before, if you're thinking about a Dyson, this is the one to get. If you guys are thinking about upgrading, I would highly suggest it. It's like literally a game changer. So thanks again to Dyson for sponsoring this video. Hack number 3 is how to refresh your garbage disposal. This thing is probably one of the most disgusting things in my house. I just think about all like the raw meats and just food waste that has gone down my drain, and it can get stinky. One of the best ways that you can refresh it is putting like half a lemon down the drain, or a lime, or other citrus fruits like oranges or something, and you just run the water, you turn on your disposal, and it makes everything smell really fresh. Another thing that you can do is add the baking soda and essential oil mixture down the drain as well. You turn on your water, you turn on the disposal, and it just makes everything really fresh and new again. Hack number 4 is getting the wrinkles out of your sheets. Pretty much every single time that I wash my sheets, they sit there for at least half a day to like a whole day before I can get them back on the bed, and they definitely develop some wrinkles and some creasing, which is not the look that I'm going for. So the best way to get rid of those is creating your own wrinkle releaser spray at home, and it's super easy. It's literally 2 ingredients. I just add 1 cup of water and a tablespoon of fabric softener to a spray bottle. You just spray it over your sheets, and you kind of run your hand along the wrinkles, and everything just disappears, and it is amazing. Hack number 5 is a hack for your trash bags. So something that I always do is I add 5 or more trash bags underneath the trash bag that's already in the bag. That way when you take the dirty one out, you always have trash bags to replenish, and you don't have to go grab them out of a drawer or whatever. They're just right there for your use. So that's the first little tip. And the second one that I wanted to mention is just to add some essential oils to the bottom of your empty trash bag. That way it kind of just keeps things smelling a little bit fresh and deodorizes things as you throw your dirty stuff in the trash can. Hack number 6 is using your dishwasher to clean things other than dishes from around your house. I don't know why I didn't think of this hack sooner. It is so genius. You can clean everything from children's toys to bathroom accessories to like hairbrushes. The list goes on and on, but the things that I have been using it for the most is sponges. So I just toss my kitchen sponge in there. I like to put Elena's like teether rings and things like that in there. I try not to put squeaky toys that you can't get that airflow from the inside, so you can't like dry it properly. I try to avoid those, but anything else goes, like blocks, plastic animals, things like that can all be washed in the dishwasher. Another thing is like hairbrushes or combs or anything like that. Bathroom accessories like your toothbrush holder or a soap dish holder, like there's so many possibilities with your dishwasher, so I just wanted to mention that in this video. I forgot to mention 2 other things that you can wash with your dishwasher. I have these acrylic storage containers for my makeup and in my bathroom that I store like my skincare products in. Next time I clean those out, those are going in the dishwasher. That's gonna be so much easier. And then the second thing that I always wash in my dishwasher is my drying rack, because that can get like gross and grimy. And actually mine is like not, it has some crevices in there that's kind of hard for me to clean even with like a sponge or something. So every time I pop it in the dishwasher, it comes out like squeaky clean. So there's another tip. Hack number 7 is the best way to clean your stainless steel sink, and that's using the same mixture that we used earlier when we deodorized and refreshed our carpets and our upholstery. And we also use that mixture to deodorize and clean out the garbage disposal as well. So if you just use that same mixture and you scrub it around your entire sink, it will just be so sparkly and smell so good. Just trust me on this. It is so simple, but it really works. Hack number 8, I actually saw on TikTok yesterday, and I was like, I'm putting this in the video because it is genius. So it's how to clean your shower without stressing yourself out, because honestly that is one of my least favorite things to clean because you get all wet. It's just not a comfortable situation. So what you can do is you get one of those scrubber brushes that you can actually put your soap inside the handle. I will put a little, you know, clip of it on screen so you guys know what I'm talking about. You fill it up with soap and you leave that in your shower and you clean the inside of your shower while you're showering. That way you're already wet, you're already like, you know, in the shower. You might as well just take your little scrubber brush and scrub all the walls and the glass and everything inside your shower, and then you just rinse it down, rinse yourself off, and you're good to go. Like, how genius is that? Hack number 9 is creating your own at-home natural deodorizing spray that you can use for your linens, for your upholstery, like your couch, chairs, all kinds of things like that. So basically the ingredients are a half a cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, and about 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. I'm gonna be using lavender. This is just so much more safe to use around your house if you have pets or babies, or just if you suffer with like allergies or you're really sensitive or something, because this doesn't have any harsh chemicals or anything like that. It's really natural and safe to use and just makes your house smell amazing. Hack number 10, my last hack for you, is how to clean your microwave. So what you can do is you get a microwave safe bowl, you fill it with half a cup of water and half a cup of vinegar, and you microwave that for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your microwave. But what that does is it creates a steam that helps break down any of the like crusted on food, so that when you open your microwave you can just wipe it down with a microfiber cloth and things just come off really easily, and it just makes cleaning your microwave so much less stressful and so quick and easy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and if you want more cleaning hack videos. Thanks again to Dyson for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check out the Dyson Outsize. I will leave the link down below in the description box so you guys can check it out on dyson.com. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.